Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 update stuck on 100% Windows. Click search icon, type services, click services. Open Windows Update Service. Stop the service. Open File Explorer. This PC, open C drive, open Windows folder. Open Software Distribution folder. Select all files and folders and delete it. Open Services Settings. Start the Windows Update service. Click Start, Settings, Windows Update. Click Check for Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.